time you lick it, she licks. Oh, Harper, that look good.
Better change your begging style, Mr. Husky. If you want to play, be gentle. When your vocal coach is also your meal provider. No girl wanna lose their hair. She's just busy with the ball for a while. Note to self, never mess with a husky's leg. Dog's love language, a blend of zoomies and pain. When your boredom accidentally lands you in the spotlight. This is how an OCD dog wants to get belly rubbed. In a galaxy not so far away, a dog's barking saved the day. Being handsome is a real struggle, 'cause all your patients want extra kisses during checkups. Just like twins, they're vibing on the same wavelength. Hair dryer is just another name of a lullaby machine. For those who don't know about Husky, there is a booty love mode. It always takes a few taps to get into the groove. Mothers like her are the reason why we favor dads. Pups sometimes try to unlock the rabbit mode on the stairs. Grinning is like mind control, and this Shiba's a master manipulator. More dogs, more chaos. It's a trouble math that never fails. Always cherish your dog no matter how busy your day is. When being unruly is the only way to get daddy's attention. Talk about a networking pro. That puppy is killing it. This is what we call a dog daddy. It needs a sprinkle of Tiny Boss's flavor to hit the yum button. Better get a Barbie for each or face the tears tsunami. Proof that dogs aren't just pets, they're angels in fur coats.
Let me explain something to you
She's not into that clingy type.
blindly, okay? And if you have a problem with that, then you can talk to me.
We all get the pain when your favorite plushie is torn.
La abuela se está tardando.
Está en cirugía, Keona, ¿vale?
Tan cirugía peluche.
Never need for a fancy toy when a simple balloon brings endless delight to all. This nanny deserves a raise for bridging a great meal-lationship.
Chris,
Mom's mad at dad and attending class is the only way to cool her off.
Chris. Head down.
Big dogs go childlike toward the right one. Vacuuming the carpet is a very easy task until adopting a dog. They bring Lady and the Tramp a new vibe. Some skills need to be learned from the moment you can crawl. Chill out, man. She just wanna share her invisible snack. Please find a new landing spot for your booty. It's mine now. Every itch needs a sidekick for scratching. This is what they call like father, like son. Our duo look a bit lazy. Gotta try to figure out your mouse for barks or blowing.
Banana's fault. We've had too much banana today already.
She's a 10, but she has breath problems. Watch out, your nose might be a tasty treat for someone. If that dog started a band, I'd be the first to buy a ticket. Dog ownership, nail tech and massage chair training all in one. With a dog around, Dad's take on adopted versus bio children changes. Yup, the car's lullaby specialist on every journey, the sleepyhead friend. Princess rescue? Nah, Mario's cuddling his mom, leaving it to her Mr. Right. When your pup's a Jenga champ, you're in for an awesome family game night. Age is just a number, and apparently, so is size for this forever young pupper. No puppy plan, but a whole lot of cuteness. Thanks for tuning in.